接下来的场次，我们非常荣幸邀请到演讲嘉宾研华嵌入式事业群总经理张家豪先生。张家豪先生将为我们带来题为 "From Digital to Physical: AI Computing and WEDA" 的精彩分享。For our next session, it is our great honor to welcome our speaker, Mr. Miller John, President, Embedded Sector at Advantech. Mr. Miller John will share his insights titled From Digital to Physical: AI Computing and WEDA. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Miller John.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Miller Zhang from Advantech. Welcome to Computex Forum. In this session, I'm going to introduce you an important topic, physical AI. Physical AI is a technology chain transition the AI from digital to physical world. We are going to introduce you how we can implement physical AI into the real world industry. So let me begin my today's session. Please take a look about our service physical AI industry. You can see from the smart manufacturing, factory, medical, retail, whose are our existing services market. And also for the new emerging market industry, such as semiconductor industry, energy, AMR, and robotics. So Edge AI is moving from the lab to the large scale of the deployment. I will elaborate the point later. Let's talk about the Edge AI first. According to the market US research and report, the Edge AI market is projected to grow to 196 billion by year 2034, with 23.8% CAGR. The main growth driving engine is because of the Edge AI's low latency, enhance the data security, and also real-time performance. You can see the deep blue, the chart. The Edge hardware still continue to dominate the big market size because of the demand of the AI accelerator. And also, software and services are continue to grow because of the integration complexity. Also, the lack of the standardization increase the cost of the large-scale deployment. So this is the background information, also the topic I want to share with you today. Please reference it about the data from the Edge AI market survey. How to drive the Edge AI into the industry? Let's start from the cloud AI segment. We may recall the ChatGPT suddenly appeared to the market about 3 years ago. The generative AI, large language model are driving the demand for cloud AI infrastructure deployment. I think I don't need to explain more detail about the cloud AI. I think everyone have the experience for it every day. Let's look at the second layer about the Edge AI. When the computing power deployed to the field, Edge AI low latency, data security, and real-time response has demonstrated a great advantage. And also, the most important to truly change the industrial competitive landscape is the third layer, physical AI. As we have the experience to service several industries, you can see from the AMR robotics, smart manufacturing, and also the human and AI collaboration in the healthcare industry. So edge AI has begun realize the precision, reasoning, and sensing action in our real world. I want to give you a real example for the robotics to explore how edge AI to the physical AI. You can see there are quite a few robot applications. Actually, start from about 30 years ago when the robot arm implemented in the automation factory. Since that, by that time, the, the main purpose to implement the robot arm in the factory was to reduce the manual labor and enhance the production efficiency. And gradually, we have AGV, we have AMR, we have service robot in the shop store, retail store, and also now you can see many service robot in the restaurant. And through the industrial drone for smart agriculture or humanoid robot, recent year, they are very popular in the robot industry. So there are many different robot applications in the robotic market. How to support our customer, our partner, to accelerate the robot application development is very important. That's also the reason Advantech will provide a robotics building blocks. Start from Edge AI platform. You can see from the right side, start from the Edge AI platform. It's a brain of the robot. Support language modeling, digital twin, deploy the AI inference to realize the real-time sensing, decision, and execution. The autonomous robot system also need the precision and control module. For example, like a visual sensor, 2D and 3D camera, internal, external communication module, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or 5G, or the path planning for LiDAR IMU or motion control, motor control. So every module is a necessary component to integrate together with the Edge AI system. Then also on top is a software value added. Our robotics suite can support our customer to creating an easy development platform to speed up our customer your robot application development. So put together from Edge AI platform, sensor module, and also the software value added robotics suite together, we call it is a robotics building blocks. To realize the autonomous robot system can really sensing, reasoning, and planning and action. I want to share with you more real business case. This is our customer from Taiwan, TechMan Robot. They leverage our Advantech product for the Edge AI system as a brain, robotic brain, also the visual sensor, also the real-time controller to perform a real-time inference and precision in the next generation humanoid robot system. This is a medical surgical robot. Also a very good example from our customer, Caliber. They can perform a millisecond level low latency, high resolution image processing to really demonstrate the AI, physical AI, medical physical AI at the edge. I give you another example. This is semiconductor industry, also the fast-growing industry recent year around the world. Our customer, Brilliant, they are focused on the wafer fab inspection AI system. So their real-time precision, reaction, and also execution really enhance the wafer fab operation efficiency. So those are the real case of the project that we are working with our customer from global. Back to the core engine, as I say, the robotics, autonomous robot, their brain. The core engine is Edge AI. Advantech will provide a diagram. You see the center of the diagram, 3 layers of the hardware architecture, start from the HAI embedded, HAI inference, and HAI server. We are co-working with the mainstream silicon partner, AI silicon partner together to provide a full range comprehensive of the edge AI platform to our customer. First layer, edge AI embedded. This AI acceleration module can plug in embedded into any edge system, can instantly upgrade the AI computing power. Second layer, edge AI inference, specific for domain, industrial focus, retail, transportation, medical, robotics, etc. The top layer is the edge AI server. It's an on-premise edge AI server, ground-based of edge AI server. They can process all the data information within enterprise. So this is a 3-layer of the hardware structure. On top of the hardware structure is our software value added, WEDA, Wise Edge Developer Architecture. Support our customer a generic platform container-based of the software package, speed up our customer your robot application, physical AI application development. So now I want to introduce today a second important topic is WEDA software. WEDA, as I say, is a container base of a software package. Support our customer or partner a very easy way to adapt the solution, implement your physical AI into your industry. So about the topic, I want to introduce Advantech, our Chief Software Architect, Dr. Richard Huang, to give you a sharing. Welcome. Welcome. Your turn.
Thank you, Mila. What is WEDA? Actually, it's not a ready-to-use software package. It's more like NVIDIA CUDA or Google Map API. It's a set of development package. Let me elaborate that by walking you through the 4 key stages for building an industrial AI solution and how WEDA put them all together. The first part is the digital twin. We can train and test AI models in this virtual world. And WEDA implements the digital twin protocol to bridge the visual world and the physical world. And the second part is the software-defined automation. We know in the future, what a device can do is not defined by the hardware, but defined by the application they run. So the WEDA provides containers to help our developers across platforms, operating systems, and runtime environment, so that they can develop their applications faster than ever. And the third part is the robotics and control. We know the physical AI depends on real-time operating system. Advantech provides a fine-tuned WEDA-ready Linux to support this. And the last one is domain AI agent. WEDA provides full of skills and APIs to support the state-of-art AI agent harness such as OpenClaw or NemoClaw and Hermes. Okay, let me give a real demonstration and show how WEDA bring them all together. How does AMR learn its experience before we deploy it to the real world? Of course, the first step is digital twin. We can simulate the factories, the machines, the people, these physical objects or traffic pattern or human activity, these intangible scenarios. WEDA collects the environment data and the machine working data for simulation. It allows the AMR to learn how to interact with its surroundings and handle the unexpected event before we deploy it to the real world. And we can use WEDA API and skills to deploy the trained model to AMRs. When an AMR in the real world faces an unexpected event, such as the never trained before, since we have deployed the AI agent on it, it can act like a human in the loop assistant. It raises and alerting the information to the operator and to help him to make decision how to handle this event that never seen. So that makes the AI agent is an assistant rather than an replacement. Okay, that example, how do we really build that one with WEDA? Of course, since we know that WEDA provide APIs and skills, traditionally, of course, you can use a VS Code or the Postman to build the application with a traditional way. But we integrate with NemoCrawl to provide WEDA code agent to help you to build the application faster than ever. So let me give a demonstration rather than just talk about it. In this demo, we ask WEDA code agent to tap into the connected sensors like a LiDAR, 3D camera, and G sensors. And then create a dashboard to show them these real-time readings. When we ask WEDA code agent to do these tasks, actually it does not writing the code from the scratch. It just leverage our WEDA API and skills. And then let us give the AMR more capabilities. We spin up another container and to capture the real-time image streaming from the connected camera. And then we use the vision language model to understand what it sees. So as you can see, when an unexpected event happens, it detects and tells us the aisle was blocked by the falling boxes. But in the real world, actually operators does not manage only 10 devices, usually hundreds or even thousands scattered around the world. That's a AGI will do. So we also integrate WEDA code agent. You can just ask it to manage and deploy containers. Just give a simple prompt. And after that, we can start up, we ask it to create a dashboard to monitoring all devices. So before I read up this part, developers may ask, is a WEDA available now? And is there any partner that can support our partners? The both answers are yes. We just launched the WEDA, a preview WEDA version last week. And we offer 3 different levels of partner program. The first is for developers and individuals. Those partners, usually they just run small POC or small systems. So we offer free WEDA Cloud account. And the second is for system integrators. Usually this kind of users, they focus on how to deliver their project cost effectively and quick. So we provide so-called WEDA Insight software and hardware bundles, ranging from small devices all the way to server clusters. And the last one, at the middle of this slide, is straight AI stops and ISVs. They embed their product. They embed WEDA into their product. So we provide a so-called design in service, co-creation with them, and provide the advanced technical support. Okay. Today, I would like to open an opportunity to all of you. A Starbucks kit that is valued at $6,000 for free. So scan the QR code and get the benefits. I hope this part found insightful for all of you. Let me hand over back to Mila to read up this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you. Thank you. 10,000 developers, 50 countries, one architecture to realize the physical AI. So yeah, please scan the QR code, join the trial run program, join the open platform to realize the physical AI into your industry. So how to realize the physical AI adoption across the industry? Still the first topic at the beginning. We need the edge hardware. We need the WEDA software. And we also need the ecosystem and partnership. That include the silicon chip vendor, sensor module vendor, software developer, wireless designer, all the industrial association, and also the ecosystem from individual vertical market, from the smart manufacturing, retail, medical, and smart city, etc. So Advantech, we would like to invite all our partners and join together to co-create, to realize a physical AI into the industry. The physical AI is truly implemented in the robotic industry. So they are all real projects. They are all real cases from our global partner, customer. More than 50 global partners and customers right now working with Advantech. From the service robot, AMR, humanoid robot, and more are coming. So seeing is believing. We welcome you to visit our booth at Computex to see our global partner, their robot applications are really in motion. Okay, so before end of my section, I want to show you something real. So let's welcome our special guest. Hello. Walk slow, no rush. It's from our partner, Play Robot. You come closer. You come closer. Come closer. Say hi to everyone. I see many people want to check the portal. I give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Hi, buddy. Anything you want to give me? Oh, it's WEDA. Wise Edge Developer Architecture. With WEDA, we can realize the physical AI into the real world industry. So let's work together to scale up the physical AI in the world. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Let's go, buddy. So,
感谢张家豪先生精彩的分享。下一个精彩场次，Exploring the